Crow pose, bring your hands down, spread the fingers wide like starfish. Bring your knees around your upper arms, gaze slightly forward, and play with lifting one, maybe both feet, and really dome the upper back. Lift, and then lower. For baby crow pose, bring your forearms to the ground. So I like this variation because the, distance to fall isn't very much. From there, you need a lot of hip flexibility to bring your knees into your armpit, glide forward, point your toes, and hover. Again, doming your upper back. And then come back down. Teenage crow is half and half. So you bring one forearm down like baby crow, one hand down. The hand is in line with the opposite elbow. For the baby crow side of the pose, you just bring your knee on the outer part of your shoulder. For the crow pose, you bring your shin onto the top of your arm, and then you're in this kind of funky balance, and it's really fun. Make sure you switch and try the other side to balance yourself out, and have a lot of fun playing around.